Is your computer full of cluttered files, PDFs, images and documents all dumped into one messy folder? Let's fix that in seconds with Python. Today, I'll show you how to build a simple yet powerful file organizer script. Stick around, and by the end, you'll have the skills to automate file organization and save hours of manual work. I've even provided a sample messy folder on my GitHub so you can follow along. Check the link in the bio. Open your favorite editor. I'm using PyCharm, and create a new Python file. For this script, we'll need Python's OS module to interact with the file system and shutil to move files around. Let's import them. Let's take a look at the folder we're organizing. It contains many images, documents, music files, and more. It will give us a list of all the files in the directory. Next, we'll group files by their type. For this, we use Python's OS path module to extract the file extensions. Here's the code. This code creates a dictionary where each file type is a key, and the value is a list of files with that extension. Now, let's create a subfolder for each file type. For example, files with a JPG extension will go into a folder called JPGs. Here's the code. This will create a new folder for each file type in a directory called organized_folder. Finally, let's move each file into its corresponding subfolder. For this, we'll use the shutil move method. Here's how. Let's run it and see the organized results. And here we go. Our files are neatly organized into folders by type. This script works on any folder, so you can run it on your downloads folder, desktop, or wherever you need some order. But it's quick and easy with Python. I hope this tutorial inspires you to try automating other tasks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It supports the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more practical